Hello students, welcome to my channel. Now in today's class we are going to start practice questions for a straight line. Here I have divided straight line into various types, right? The first type that we are having on finding the equation of a straight line satisfying the given condition and reducing it to Cartesian form. Means कुछ conditions होंगी उसके accordingly we will be drawing a straight line, we will be forming the vector equation of a straight line and will convert it into Cartesian form. The formula to be used here r equal to a plus lambda b, where a is the point from which a line is passing and b is a vector to which a line is parallel. Second, r equal to a plus lambda b, 2-point formula. Point of first position vector is a, point of second position vector is b, as we have already discussed in the previous video. Now the question we have, the first question, find the vector equation of a line passing through a point with the position vector 2i minus j plus 4k and is in the direction of I plus j minus 2k. Also convert it into Cartesian form. देखो, it is passing through a point and is in the direction of position vector. So we can say in the question that we have given vector A as 2i minus j plus 4k, means, or we can also write it that formula to be used. देखो, only we have written two formulas, 1-point formula, 2-point formula. Here only passing through 1 point, so r equal to a plus lambda b. Now what is a? A is a point from which line is passing and here it is passing through this point. A is 2i minus j plus 4k. What is b? In the direction, means line जिसके parallel है, in the direction. This is in the direction. So b is also given I plus j minus 2k. This name as equation number 1. By equation number 1, r equal to a is 2i minus j plus 4k plus lambda b what is b? I plus j minus 2k, and this is what vector equation of straight line. Now the question is, sir, how to convert it into Cartesian form? Let's see. To convert into Cartesian form, we'll put r equal to xi plus yj plus zk, and r को xi plus yj plus zk put करो. So what we are having now, we will be having xi plus yj plus zk, and on the right hand side, just pay attention here, I will be writing I at a time, means 2i or lambda I. Where I am taking I common, 2 plus lambda I. Similarly, minus j plus lambda j, minus 1 plus lambda into j. 4k or 2 lambda k. So I can write plus 4 minus 2 lambda k. Now I will compare both sides. On comparing, left hand side में coefficient of I is x, on the right hand side coefficient of I is 2 plus lambda. Coefficient of j is y, here coefficient of j is minus 1 plus lambda. Coefficient of k is z, coefficient of k 4 minus 2 lambda. So I can write x minus 2 equal to lambda, y plus 1 equal to lambda, and z minus 4 equal to minus 2 lambda. So minus 2 I will be taking to the denominator upon minus 2. So all these values are equal to lambda. So I can write x minus 2 equal to y plus 1 equal to z minus 4 upon minus 2. Here nothing is denominator, so I am writing 1. And this is the equation of straight line in Cartesian form. Now second question we have, that is also asked in 2010 examination. The points A, B and C are given are the vertices of a parallelogram. We need to find the vector and Cartesian equation of side AB and BC and also find the coordinates of D. So what I am going to do, I will first draw a parallelogram, right? Parallelogram I will draw. I have this ABCD is a parallelogram, right? Here point A is 4, 5, 10, point B is 2, 3, 4, point C is 1, 2, minus 1, and point D that we need to calculate, we don't know right now. So the first thing, find the vector in Cartesian equation of side AB and BC. When I talk about AB, I have 2 points. Whenever 2 points I am having, the formula is A plus lambda B minus A. So I will write vector equation of AB. Vector equation of AB के लिए what is A according to the formula? Position of point A is position vector of point A, that I will write vector A as 4i plus 5j plus 10k, and position vector of point B, that is vector B, 2i plus 3j plus 4k. Now I am also calculating B minus A. What will be B minus A? 2i minus 4i minus 2i, 3j minus 5j minus 2j, 4 minus 10 minus 6k. Right? This is B minus A. So equation of AB is R equal to A plus lambda B minus A. So R equal to, what is A? A is 4i plus 5j plus 10k plus lambda. B minus A is this, minus 2i minus 2j minus 6k. Now similarly we'll find the equation of side BC, है ना? BC को भी हम निकाल लेंगे. How to draw, calculate it? Equation, vector equation of BC. BC में position vector of point B. Point B is 2i plus 3j plus 4k, and position vector of C, this is I plus 2j by I plus 2j minus k. This I will name as A, this is B, right? AB नाम दे देते. If you want to give other name, you can also give. So I have to calculate B minus A. I minus 2i. What is I minus 2i? Minus I minus j minus I minus 1 minus 4 minus 5k. So equation of AB, vector equation of BC is R equal to A plus lambda B minus A. What is A? A is 2i plus 3j plus 4k plus lambda. B minus A is minus I minus j minus 5k. This is R. So I have equation of AB, equation of BC in vector form. As we have discussed in the last formula that we have converted an equation from vector to Cartesian form, we'll do the similar procedure and we'll get the Cartesian equation. I am writing it directly. You can follow the previous question. AB. AB के लिए कार्टेशियन क्या होगा? You can also write it directly. देखो, x minus y minus z minus. अब क्या आएगा? Point क्या है? First point is this. या फिर इधर देख के देखो. Point क्या है? 4, 5 and 10. X minus 4, y minus 5, z minus 10. And this is for direction ratio. Minus 2, minus 2, minus 6. And for BC, it is x, y, z, and I will also discuss the Cartesian formula. Obviously, we have discussed in a previous video. This is x minus 2, y minus 3, and z minus 4 upon minus 1, this minus 1, and this is minus 5, and these are the two equations. Now, next thing we need to calculate the coordinates of D. How to calculate the coordinates of D? What we are going to do, in parallelogram we know diagonal bisect each other. Means these two sides are equal to these two sides. Center same hoga, right? So what I will do, I will let the coordinates as alpha, beta and gamma. I will first calculate midpoint of AC. मिड पॉइंट का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? x1 plus x2 by 2 means 4 plus 1 by 2, 5 plus 2 by 2 and 10 minus 10 plus minus 1 by 2. This is 5 by 2, 7 by 2, 9 by 2. Midpoint of BD, midpoint of BD क्या हो जाएगा? x1 plus x2 by 2, alpha plus 2 by 2, beta plus 3 by 2, gamma plus 4 by 2. Now you tell me, I have already told diagonal bisect each other, means midpoint of AC is equal to midpoint of BD. Midpoint of AC is equal to midpoint of BD. भाई AC और BD का midpoint same है, means AC का midpoint क्या हो जाएगा? 5 by 2, 7 by 2, 9 by 2 is equal to alpha plus 2 by 2, beta plus 3 by 2, gamma plus 4 by 2. I will compare both sides. 5 by 2 equal to alpha plus 2 by 2, 7 by 2 equal to beta plus 3 by 2, 9 by 2 equal to gamma plus 4 by 2. 2 से 2 कटा, 2 से 2 कटा, 2 से 2 कटा, alpha equal to 5 minus 2 3, beta equal to 7 minus 3 4 and gamma equal to 9 minus 5 4 5. So point क्या हो गया? 3 4 and 5. That is what the coordinates of D. Now second varieties of question that we are having is type 2, finding the Cartesian equation of a line satisfying the given condition and converting it to vector form. Previously what we have done, we have first find it in vector form, then convert it in Cartesian. Here just reverse procedure is there. The first question that we are having is here, and the formula to be used are also written here. Find the Cartesian equation of a line passing through 2 points and reduce it into vector form. When I talk about 2 points, right, we have second formula, right? The first point is A, 2 minus 1 3. Second point is B, 4 2 1, right? First point के नीचे मैं क्या लिखूंगा? This is x1 y1 z1 x2 y2 z2. Formula is x minus x1 upon x2 minus x1, y minus y1 upon y2 minus y1, and z minus z1 upon z2 minus z1. So we have x minus x1 upon x2 minus x1, y minus y1 upon y2 minus y1, and z minus z1 upon z2 minus z1. X minus 2 by 2, y plus 1 by 3, and z minus 3 by minus 2. This is what the Cartesian equation. Now second thing is reduce it into vector form, है ना? तो vector form के लिए क्या करेंगे हम? What we are going to do? Equate it to lambda lambda. ध्यान से समझना how to convert it to vector form. Now, so if I equate it to lambda, so x minus 2 by 2 equal to lambda. So we have x equal to what? X minus 2 equal to 2 lambda. So x क्या हो जाएगा? 2 lambda plus 2. Similarly, y plus 1 equal to y 3 equal to lambda. So y क्या हो जाएगा? 3 lambda minus 1. Z minus 3 by 2 equal to lambda. So z क्या हो जाएगा? 2 lambda plus 3. So we'll write, we have r. R is a point on the line xi plus yj plus zk. I will put the value of x, y, z from here. So what I can write? R equal to x की जगह क्या आएगा? 2 lambda plus 2 into I plus y 3 lambda minus 1 into j, z 2 lambda plus 3 into k. So I have, first time write, this is 2 lambda I plus 2i plus 3 lambda j minus j plus 2 lambda k plus 3k. So first I am writing the terms that are without lambda, 2i minus j plus 3k plus lambda common, 2i plus 3j plus 2k, and this is what the vector form. राइट कई बार हमें क्वेश्चन ऐसा भी होता है कि डायरेक्टली इक्वेशन इन कार्टेशियन फॉर्म इज गिवन, कन्वर्ट टू वेक्टर फॉर्म, एवरीथिंग इज देयर. Now next and type 3 is to check collinearity of 3 points, right? What do we mean by collinearity? If two or more than 2 points are lying on a common line, then that points are called collinear. समझ में आ रहा है ना? एक ही लाइन पे आने वाले points collinear होते हैं. Now in this question what we are going to do, how to check collinearity is, we'll take any 2 points and we'll draw the equation of straight line. It should satisfy by the third point also. How to check? Just pay attention. Let's suppose I take first 2 points and I am finding the equation of line. The first point is that A 5y plus 5k. Second point is B 2y plus j plus 3k, and third point is C minus 4i plus 3j minus k. Now equation of line from A and B is r equal to a plus lambda b minus a. R equal to, what is a? 5i plus 5k plus lambda. What is b minus a? 5 minus 2, 2 minus 5 is minus 3i. J 1j minus 0j plus j 3 minus 5 minus 2k. Right? This is what the equation. Now third point should also satisfy this equation because it is written, it is collinear. Now how we need to check how they are collinear. So what we are doing, putting r equal to c equal to minus 4i plus 3j minus k. ध्यान रखो भाई, 2 पॉइंट से इक्वेशन निकालो, थर्ड पॉइंट you put here minus 4i plus 3j minus k equal to this right hand side 5i minus 3 lambda I, 5 minus 3 lambda into I plus j तो है ही नहीं, lambda j plus 5k minus 2 lambda k, 5 minus 2 lambda into k. Right? On comparing both sides, what I am going to get, I का कोफिशिएंट -4, इधर I का कोफिशिएंट 5 minus 3 lambda. What I am going to do, I will be calculating the value of lambda by comparing coefficient of I, j and k. If all values of lambda will be equal, I will be saying the equations are consistent and points are collinear. In simple सी बात है, तीनों से lambda की वैल्यू सेम आना चाहिए. Coefficient of j 3 equal to lambda. Coefficient of k -1 equal to 5 minus 2 lambda. -1 minus 5 equal to minus 2 lambda. -6 equal to minus 2 lambda. Lambda equal to कितना आ गया? 3 आ गया है. दोनों से 3 आ रहा है, थर्ड से भी चेक करते हैं. -5 minus 4 equal to minus 3 lambda. -9 equal to minus 3 lambda. Lambda कितना आ गया? 3. If all are giving us the same value, so points are collinear. Right? You can write because the values of lambda we are getting equal. So I hope this video is clear. 3 varieties I have taken here. In the next video I will be coming with some more varieties.